The baobab tree is a natural wonder, known for its incredible ability to store water during long droughts. The tree's trunk acts as a sponge, absorbing and retaining water in its soft, spongy wood. This fibrous and elastic wood allows the trunk to expand and contract as it fills and empties with water. Remarkably, a baobab tree can hold up to 120,000 liters of water, which is about 20% of its weight. The water stored within the trunk is locked inside the wood cells, making it inaccessible directly to humans or animals. However, the moisture can be accessed through the thin, porous bark. Animals such as elephants, elands, and baboons often strip the bark to reach the moisture and nutrients. Humans have also found uses for the bark, crafting it into ropes, mats, baskets, and cloth. The baobab tree is an excellent example of adaptation to harsh environments. It is a symbol of life and resilience in many African cultures. Some believe the baobab possesses magical powers and can fulfill wishes. In addition to its water-storing capabilities, the baobab provides numerous ecological benefits. It serves as a habitat for various species, supports biodiversity, and offers nutritional benefits through its fruit, which is rich in vitamin C and other essential nutrients. The baobab tree is more than just a plant. It is a testament to the wonders of nature and a source of inspiration for those who live in its presence.